Today we have a 2008 Volkswagen Jetta. We're replacing the cabin filter. So let's get to the passenger side and replace it. Okay guys, so to get to the cabin filter, we're going to go on the bottom of the glove box on the passenger side and remove two of these little plastic screws with a flathead, one here and one right there. Then once you remove those, all we got to do is just kind of work it out. You just pretty much slide it down like so and slide it all out, and then we'll expose the housing for the cabin filter. So once you remove those two plastic little screws, just slide this off. And as you see, I already got my cabin filter out. I was just trying to check something earlier, but pretty much it's gonna be located right in the back there. You'll see a little portion that you slide. So you'll see this here on your right, just slide it to the right and boom. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this up and shove my new cabin filter in. Now, as you can see from the old one, it only goes one way. I believe it was that direction. I can't remember because I took it out yesterday, but yeah, so let me go ahead and pop the new one in, put this back on, and we'll be finished up in like 30 seconds. So before I actually put this cover back on, I'm just gonna give you a little view of the filter here. So you will kind of have to just push it to the side a little bit like that, get it in and out. So as you can see, my new one, that little ear to the right, it just kind of work its way in, being a little careful. I mean, it's really easy. So there you are. And then we'll get this back in, let it catch on those there. So once it's in, you kind of want to put it inside the filter. There's little grooves there. And then slide it to the right. And there we are. So now I'm just going to throw the cover back on and put the little plastic screws in. Now, a little FYI before I put the cover back on, there may be like a T20 that goes right here. This car didn't have one, so I'm assuming it was replaced in the past. So just a little FYI right here to the right. I don't see any other points that would have it, so I'm gonna put the cover back on and basically close it. So I put my cover back in, just make sure to slide it under the plastics here and make sure everything pretty much lines up well. And then we're just gonna, my glove group. We're just gonna go ahead and screw these two in, one right here and the other one right there. So pretty much once we do that, we'll be done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.